How to convert the BNB to USDT in Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to convert the BNB to USDT using the Binance application, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch the Binance app and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, tap on the Binance profile from the top hand corner. After that, you will land to this page and notice a convert section. If you do not see this option, tap on more services and scroll down under the trade section. From there, you will tap on convert and then you will land to this page. Hereby on the from section select BNB and for the to section select USDT. After this is done, you will have to tap on the amount section and enter the amount of BNB that you would like to convert to USDT. Now that this is done, you can continue with the trade option and there you go. You have successfully converted BNB to USDT using the Binance app. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.